Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to show you how to fix 404 page not found issue in your Shopify website. So, if you have started your business with Shopify online store and you are getting the error from Google Search Console, there are 404 page not found issue that will be harmful for ranking your website in the search engine, and looking easy video guideline to fix it without hiring any developer, then you can continue this video. So let's get started. First of all, I'm going to log in Google Search Console, then select my online store. Click on the pages, scroll down. You can see there are an error not found 404, and we are going to fixing this one right on. Going to click on this link not found 404, and you can see that here the URL link that are affected by 404 87shopper.com/contact, then 87shopper.com product/juice-kitchen. Before fix this issue, you have to remember that only broken URL will be redirected. If the old URL still load a web page, the URL redirect will not work. So open this link, open in a new tab, also this one, and you can see that the page is not there. Also this one, there is no text content anything in this page in the body. Now we are going to fix this issue. So to do this, I am going to log in my Shopify admin panel. Here is my Shopify admin panel. Then going to click on the online store, navigation, click on the create URL redirect button and add redirect form link. So first I want to add this one, then add redirect to target link, then click on the save redirect. Okay, we have done this one. Then create another redirect form, this one, then redirect to all product. Click on the save redirect. Wow, we have done. Now click on this URL, inspect URL, click on the request indexing requested, also request another one, this one, inspect URL, request indexing requested. So it will take little bit time to fix this issue in the Google Search Console. So I hope you understand the total process. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any help or support relevant Shopify, WordPress or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.